650 wheel, all-wheel drive, bigger turbos, and it goes to the grocery store every Tuesday. Let's talk about this build. Most 600 horsepower builds are garage queens. They leak oil, they sit on jack stands for like 300 days out of the year. Not this one. It's a 2021 Infiniti Q60 with Z1 VRX80 upgraded turbos, upgraded fueling system, and it made 650 wheel. The VR30 engine platform has always been a weird beast. Yes, they have a lot of potential. Yes, they can make a bunch of power. However, turbos are tiny. The fuel system is maxed out, even at looking at corn, which is E85. But this one, we upgraded a lot of components to allow it to make the 650 wheel that it needed to make. Let's talk about what it took to make 650 wheel. So the goal for this build wasn't to make big horsepower. It was to make power that was reliable, and it was also to make power that wouldn't blow the motor into the orbit when you added a lot of boost to it. So we upgraded the turbos, upgraded the fuel system, and then we also upgraded the exhaust components to have the flow that it needed to make the power that he wanted. Step one, throw away the tiny stock OEM turbos. Upgrade them with Z1 VRX80 turbos, which will allow us to have the flow and make the power that he is requesting, which was around 650 wheel on E. Upgrading the fuel system was step two. We installed a set of the AMS Stage 2 direct injectors, as well as the Stage 2 high pressure fuel pump, and the Flex Fuel CAN module from AMS to allow us to use flex fuel capabilities and tune it on pump and on E. Step three, upgrading the exhaust components. So the full catted downpipes allow us to make the power and not smell like a lawnmower at every red light you come up to. Free flowing exhaust, upgraded turbos, upgrading fueling system. Now we have the recipe to make power. Enough talking. Let's see what 650 wheel sounds like on the dyno. Here's a dyno clip out on the rollers. The combo of the upgraded turbos, the fueling system, the EcuTech tuning that we use that's on board with RaceROM 6 is the perfect combination to allow these vehicles to make the power that they were supposed to make from the factory, whether it's 500, 600, 700, or even 800. The VR is a very capable platform, and we are going to show you a lot more of these builds as we continue to go through the year. If you're building a VR, or you're building a DE, which is my favorite, or a VHR, let us know. Comment below. On this particular setup, since it is a VR, what would be your first modification? Would it be turbos? Would it be full bolt-on? Would it be an exhaust? Or would you just go to 350Z at that point? Let us know. Comment below and make sure you hit that subscribe button because we've got plenty more builds in the pipeline and we can't wait to share them with you.